Hi there, I'm Ryan with the Fluke Network's Technical Assistance Center, also known as TAC. Today I'll show you how to do a wet clean on a fiber end face. Dry cleaning is great when dealing with dust and dirt, but does very little against greasy types of debris. I just did a dry clean. Let's inspect again. Yep, still dirty. Let's move on to the wet cleaning method, utilizing the Fluke Network solvent pen. For years, IPA was used to clean fiber end faces, but now there are customized solvents that are far superior, such as the Fluke Network solvent pen. Most importantly, the specialized OFC cleaner solvent is more effective than IPA at dissolving all contaminants, especially non-ionic compounds such as buffer gel and pulling lubricant. I'm going to walk you through two methods of wet cleaning. All the supplies you need to wet clean are included in our Fibre Optic cleaning kit. The first method is with the cleaning cube. We're going to start by pulling a clean wipe or sheet away from the cube. Next, we're going to apply a small amount of our solvent pen in the corner of the cube, and then we're going to take our fiber end face, dabble into the solvent, and drag away. Do that a couple times. Next, we're going to inspect the fiber to ensure our fiber is clean. Yes, it is clean. If necessary though, repeat the steps again on a new portion of the exposed wipe on the cube. The next method of cleaning is with a fiber optic cleaning card. First step is to remove the plastic cover from one of the cleaning zones. We're going to apply a small amount of solvent into the top left-hand corner of the card and take our fiber optic reference cable, dabble into the wet zone, and drag and follow the card. Next step is to inspect to make sure that our fiber optic is clean. Yep, clean. If necessary, expose a new cleaning zone and repeat the steps again. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, give TAC a call.